If you've ever found yourself wondering which rides are the fastest at Walt Disney World, then stay tuned because in this video we're going to be taking a look at the statistics and counting down the top 5 fastest rides from across all 4 Disney World theme parks. Number 5. So number 5 on our list is going to be Expedition Everest, Legend of the Forbidden Mountain, which is located in Disney's Animal Kingdom theme park. This exhilarating roller coaster opened back in 2006 and cost a whopping $100 million, making it the most expensive roller coaster in the world at that time. Now you'll find this roller coaster in the Asia section of Animal Kingdom, and it takes you on a daring expedition in search of the mythical Yeti that is said to dwell high in the mountain. However, things take a turn for the worse when something damages the track you're travelling on, causing you to hurtle backwards through a helix, which gives you the sensation that you're going upside down, before sending you forwards down a 80-foot drop that sees you reaching speeds of up to 50 miles an hour. Expedition Everest never fails to deliver an unforgettable experience. Number 4. Now, the number 4 entry on my list is the Rock and Roller Coaster starring Aerosmith. As you approach the ride, you'll see the iconic giant guitar outside, but inside is where the real excitement begins. This launch coaster blasts you to a top speed of 57 miles an hour in just 2.8 seconds, and you'll experience 3 inversions on the ride, including 2 loops and a corkscrew, all while zooming through complete darkness, apart from the neon signs of course, to the beat of a rocking soundtrack provided by Aerosmith. This thrilling ride is a favourite and shouldn't be overlooked if you're seeking an adrenaline rush at Hollywood Studios. Number 3. Now the next ride on our list is also the newest attraction at Walt Disney World. It is of course Tron Light Cycle Run Over at the Magic Kingdom, and it makes the number 3 on our list thanks to its initial launch, seeing riders catapulted to 59 miles an hour as they prepare to enter the grid. Riders then have to compete against an opposing team as they pass through 8 energy gates inside this mainly enclosed roller coaster. At the time of recording this video, Tron has not officially opened to the public yet. It's due to open on April the 4th, by the way, but the top speed has been confirmed and cast and pass holders have been able to ride this for a while now, so I've included it on my list at number 3. Number 2. At number 2 on our list is Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind, which is located at Epcot. The ride begins with a tour of a galaxarium that highlights the differences and similarities between Earth and Xandar's galaxies, but as the tour ends, the adventure to save the galaxy begins. This indoor roller coaster is themed around the Guardians of the Galaxy movie franchise and features many of the characters from the Marvel Universe, which is actually a first for Walt Disney World. The coaster manages to reach a top speed of 60 miles an hour and is the first ride at Walt Disney World to feature a reverse launch. As if that wasn't thrilling enough, the coaster also is able to rotate through 360 degrees, ensuring that riders always stay engaged with the action right in front of them. To top it all off, the ride is accompanied by a banging 80s themed soundtrack, which makes this a thrilling and entertaining addition to Epcot. Now, before we get to number 1 on our list, I just want to thank you for watching this far and ask if you are enjoying the video to please hit the like button. It helps the channel out quite a bit. Thanks. Number 1. So to conclude our list, we're actually going to be staying at Epcot, where you can experience not only the fastest ride on this list, but the fastest ride at any Disney theme park in the world. I am of course talking about Test Track. Now on top of that, Test Track is actually the longest ride at Walt Disney World, spanning 5,246 feet. That's only 34 feet short of a mile if you're interested. This ride is sponsored by Chevrolet and lets you design your dream vehicle before putting it through its paces on their Test Track. Yes, I know it's a brilliantly named ride. Once on board your ride, you'll encounter a brake test, a range of high-speed turns, one of which has you narrowly avoiding oncoming vehicles, and finally a thrilling high-speed loop of the building that sees you accelerate to 65 miles an hour, which I think you'll agree is pretty quick, but this ride was actually originally supposed to go even faster. Yes, that's right. Before the legislators shot it down, this ride was due to go 95 miles an hour, which just sounds completely insane now that I'm saying it out loud. Can you imagine this ride doing 95 miles an hour? 95 miles an hour on a ride at Disney World might sound crazy, but you know what's not crazy? Checking out this video next. YouTube thinks you'd like it.